Murphy from TYR Tactical. I'm the Director of Business Development. What I want to go through with you today is the ultimate range bag. So when I designed this bag, I thought about my time in service and how I wanted to pack my stuff to go to the range. A lot of times you get there and you're running down range quickly. You need to have your kit ready to go at all times. So what we did is we started with this Pelican Storm case, the 3220. So I'm just going to run through it, show you what it is, and I hope you like it. So first, the rifle range bag fits inside the Pelican Storm case. Inside, first I want to go over the nods bag. So this bag is designed to carry your nods, your NVGs. The key about this is you open it up, and inside you have a pocket that fits just about anything. If you got panos, you're running panos, you can run them in here. Some 31s, they fit in here really nice. They sit in here. This is probably the thing that distinguishes you from the enemy, being able to see at night. So you got to protect your equipment. On the other side, we have a clear pocket that you can fit cables and accessories, batteries, whatnot. So this is our nods bag. I'll put that right over there. The next thing I want to show you, I'm super excited about. At the range, you're always setting targets up, moving guns, moving ranges. So this is what we came up with. This is our range saddlebag, right? So the idea is you take your big, black, lumpy range bag and you put it in here. With that thing, it's so heavy, you gotta hold it in one hand, you can't carry anything else. This, you break it down. You can wear it like a saddlebag. You got guns, targets, whatnot, and you can move around the range. The great thing about this feature is you bring them together and they zip together. That side and that side. This is how I like to run the range bag at the range. I sit it in here. You can open up both sides, open it up, and you can work from it. In here you got several different compartments. Here we have a case where you can slide your pistol. You have another one over here that holds two. So you can put two pistols on this side. 1, 2. So it holds 3 pistols. Also, you got spots for ammo in these 4 cases that comes with, or you can put your eyes in here. You can put your ears on this side. We also included this tray here. This tray is to break down your pistol. In all 4 corners you have magnets, so any little parts you don't lose out on the range. It's also detachable, so I can take it out and set it over here and work on it. The idea is I'm not going to tell you how to pack your range bag, but I'm going to give you enough options that you can pack it the way you want it. On this other side, we have 2 more of those bags. I like to put ammo in mine here, or you also can put your wrenches, tools, whatnot. You can put your range cards in here if you're keeping accurate control of how many rounds you're putting down range. We got another mesh pocket here, clear pocket, and then your pistol pocket. Great thing about all of this is it comes out. You can move it around, assemble it the way you want it. This is probably my favorite bag right now. Also with these, you can stuff those down. The saddlebag portion comes apart. These shoulder straps come off, and then you can stow them, each one on each side. So you can run 2 single bags if you want. Which brings us over to the rifle range bag. We've all had many rifle range bags. This one is designed to carry those bags that you saw me pull out, but also carry multiple rifles. One key feature on the outside I want to point out is this zipper right here. Okay? That zipper goes into this little pocket. You can either keep it extended so you have an external pocket, or you can turn it inside out and put a full-size shotgun in this case. Okay? At the top here, we have a shooter's mat that you can lay out and shoot off of, which is handy. It also protects your equipment by putting it at the top. It keeps your bag from getting crushed. We have these keepers here. We have keepers to stow your rifle. Throw them in here. Just to kind of demonstrate that, one, you can see how the optic's being protected here at the top. Not that it's really going anywhere, but I'll put a couple of these straps around it. In the center here, we have a removable case, zips open, and inside there's a divider. The idea is you can put different uppers to your carbine, and then on this side, you can run another gun. We put Molly on each side so you can add different pouches to you. Everyone kind of runs their stuff differently. The idea, like I said, is to give you as many options as you want. Everyone goes to the range differently, everyone packs differently. And this bag kind of gives you that ability. I'll put my nods in here. So we give you a bunch of different options on how you want to configure your gear. I like to configure my gear when I head to the range with my saddlebags and my rifle bag. I'll see you at the range. Have a good one.